Are you tired of the painful dance with high uric acid levels and those unwelcome gout attacks? We've got the inside scoop on the best 7 fruits that can naturally put the brakes on that pesky uric acid. It's a fruity fiesta that you won't want to miss. First up on our uric acid fighting list are anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for that vibrant red color. They can be your secret weapon against inflammation, blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals known as cytokines, which are the troublemakers behind gout attacks. And here's the real kicker. Studies have shown that these pigments can slash the risk of gout attacks by a whopping 35%. In one study, 633 gout patients took the root of these pigments, and the results were impressive. They not only taste good, but also work their magic by increasing the excretion of uric acid through urine. So, snacking on about 10 to 12 fresh or sipping half a cup of juice daily could be your ticket to lower uric acid levels. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. And apparently, it might also keep high uric acid at bay. Beyond being a crunchy delight, apples contain malic acid, a natural substance that's like a superhero against uric acid crystallization. These fruits also pull double duty as a diuretic, boosting urine production to help your kidneys bid farewell to excess uric acid and fluids. Experts suggest that munching on 1 or 2 a day could do wonders for your uric acid levels. Just remember to give them a good wash and resist the temptation to peel. Most of the nutrients are hanging out in that skin. Now, let's talk about the vibrant and nutrient-packed fruits. Rich in vitamin C, E, potassium, and fiber, these fruits have some serious uric acid-busting potential. According to a study published in Rheum Pathology, vitamin C is the hero here, enhancing the excretion of uric acid through urine. Vitamin E jumps in with its protective cape, tackling inflammation and oxidative stress, the dynamic duo behind gout attacks. And that's not all. These fruits come armed with flavonoids, plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory and anti-gout effects. In a study involving 43 participants, those who indulged in 2 a day for 7 weeks witnessed a remarkable 9% drop in fasting blood uric acid levels. The heart-shaped delights that burst with flavor are also on the uric acid fighting squad. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, these berries boast anti-inflammatory properties that can be a game-changer for gout sufferers. In a study published in Nutrients, participants who consumed berries experienced a reduction in uric acid levels and inflammatory markers. So, whether you enjoy them fresh, blended into a smoothie, or topping off your morning yogurt, berries can be a delightful addition to your anti-uric acid arsenal. Savor the tropical goodness of pineapples while giving a thumbs down to high uric acid. Pineapples are not only a tasty treat, but also contain bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that bromelain may help reduce uric acid levels and alleviate inflammation, making pineapple a sweet addition to your gout-friendly menu. Whether you're snacking on fresh or blending it into a refreshing smoothie, this tropical fruit can add a punch of flavor to your uric acid fighting journey. Now, let's talk about the summertime favorite, watermelons. Beyond being a hydrating delight, watermelons contain citrulline, an amino acid that may help regulate blood pressure and reduce uric acid levels. While more research is needed, incorporating this juicy fruit into your diet can be a refreshing way to support your battle against high uric acid. Next up is the zesty powerhouse, lemon. Forget complicated solutions, because lemon juice is a simple and natural way to give those uric acid levels a run for their money. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon juice is like a superhero for your body's pH balance, making it more alkaline and neutralizing that excess uric acid. In a 2017 study, adults with high uric acid levels experienced an 18.5% drop after 6 weeks of sipping on freshly squeezed lemon juice daily. That's right, just a lemon a day kept their uric acid levels at bay. So, how do you join the lemon party? Squeeze the juice of 1 or 2 lemons into a cup of warm water. Throw in some honey or ginger for extra flavor, and make it a morning ritual. Your uric acid will thank you. Now let's talk about the creamy wonder avocado. It's not just a trendy toast topper, it's a gout-fighting champion. Low in purines but high in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, avocado is the whole package. According to a 2016 review, antioxidants in avocado may tackle inflammation and combat those free radicals in your body. But that's not all. Avocado brings vitamin C to the table, proven to lower uric acid levels in multiple studies. A 2021 study even found that avocado extract could drop uric acid levels by a whopping 133%. That's some serious avocado magic right there. Next up, we have the delightful and red-hued strawberries. These berries not only taste heavenly, but also work wonders in lowering uric acid levels. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, strawberries are a triple threat against gout. In a 2014 study, daily strawberry indulgence for 4 weeks led to a 40% reduction in uric acid levels and an 18% drop in C-reactive protein, an inflammation indicator. The secret? Strawberries may prevent the oxidation of uric acid, making it more soluble and easier to excrete by the kidneys. And if that's not convincing enough, a 2011 study showed that sipping on a strawberry beverage for 6 weeks lowered uric acid levels by 8.5% and improved antioxidant status by 11% in healthy volunteers. It's the polyphenols in strawberries, natural compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, that do the trick. Next up, we have Fruity Fiesta, the vibrant and tangy oranges. Did you know they are loaded with vitamin C, packing more of a punch than those processed alternatives? According to a study in the Journal of Rheumatology, vitamin C supplementation can work wonders, reducing serum uric acid levels by a whopping 7.5% in healthy adults. That's a citrus-powered boost right there, but the benefits continue beyond there. Another study found that increasing your daily vitamin C intake might be your ticket to a lower risk of gout, with a 177% lower risk for every 500 milligrams increase. Now, that's some serious defense against those pesky uric acid spikes. And let's not forget about the flavonoids and fiber in oranges. They're like the unsung heroes supporting renal function and optimizing the processes that kick uric acid to the curb. A study in the Journal of Nutrition even spilled the beans that citrus flavonoids, especially those from oranges, were associated with a 14% lower serum uric acid level and a whopping 73% lower risk of gout. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, grab an orange or pour yourself a glass of fresh orange juice. It's a natural and effective way to give those uric acid levels a sweet knockout. And remember to guzzle down that water. Hydration is key in helping your kidneys flush out the excess uric acid. And of course, if you've got any medical conditions or you're on some medications that tinker with your uric acid levels, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before shaking up your diet. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you find yourself regularly munching on these fruity wonders? Have you experienced some of these uric acid-busting benefits? Drop us a comment. We're all ears. If you enjoyed this fruity journey, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deliciously healthy insights.